Hey YouTube, about to do a video on a 1980s cassette player. It's 2009, so it's pretty old. This is it right here. I'm gonna sit over it. Yeah, that might help. Yeah, see, it's a 1980s cassette player. It's a radio. Has a lot of channels. Tuner right here, and volume, balance, switch, and the fine tuning. Knob right there, and speakers right there. Volume and 2 speakers right there. Here's the cassette player. That's, I don't think they make these anymore. My dad bought it in 1980s, and the cassette player plays tapes, play, rewind buttons, all that stuff. And here's the graphic thing, the graphics, power switches, stereo, mono mode, radio, PA tape mode, charge switch, and the dial lights, and the input. You can put like a microphone in there, and you'll use it as amplifier. Earphones, headphones, stereo headphones, antenna. Select the brand right there. Compass. Has 2 antennas, like the one right there, and this one right here. The strap, and has to plug up right here. Yeah, that is my 1980s, my dad's cassette player.